Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. Today we are going to make the half adder circuit within the circuit wizard. As we know that a half adder can produce a sum and carry output but cannot accept a carry in. So that is why it is called as the half adder. So how it used to work, how it can add bits. So for all this you must have to start the simulation, and first you need to click on File and then on New Electronics Project and press OK. Now you need to click on Gallery on right hand side, and here you can see some logic gates. One is our AND gate and one is our XOR gate. So you have to search for both of these gates, and we need two outputs, probe, and two input logic states. So with the help of these one we can insert our logics like this, and you also need to connect the AND with this as well. Okay, now connect the output with this. Now you need to, okay, now you can see that our XOR circuit will provide us the sum output, and our AND gate will provide the carry output. Now at 0 0, when it will add 0 and 0 plus 0, then we know that 0 plus 0 gives us 0 on the sum as well as 0 on the carry output. Now when we will add 0 and 1, okay, then what will happen? You can also add 0 and 1 like this. Okay, so it's not a problem that which one is 1 and which one is 0. So here we can see that our XOR is giving us 1 and carry is 0. Why it is so? Because 0 plus 1, binary 0 plus binary 1 gives us carry 0 and sum 1. But if both are 1 and 1, then it will give us binary 2. So binary 2 is actually 1 and 0, 1 0. So it is like 1 0 means 1 is in carry and sum is 0. So in this way we can simulate our half adder logic circuit within the circuit wizard. So hopefully you got the concept regarding how to make a half adder within the circuit wizard. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.